Hi, I'm Heath Travis. I'm a chiropractor and the owner of Travis Chiropractic in Tulsa, Oklahoma, 101st and Riverside. Today, I want to talk to you about another symptom or issue that we see in our office quite a bit. We see a lot of different things with the spine, but also with the extremities. And one of the big things that we see in our extremities, and we're going to talk arm today, are elbow issues. Typically, it's going to be a tennis elbow or a golfer's elbow, what people think about. So what happens? We see people come in and they're like, oh man, my elbow hurts so bad. I was grabbing something, I was turning, I was twisting, and I have this sharp pain, and I dropped whatever I was doing. You know, it can be some kind of presentation typically like that. And it can, again, come from anything. It can come from a really quick instance where it's a traumatic situation, or most of the time it can come from a repetitive stress thing. We see it a lot with turning motions, and that's, we see it golfing, playing tennis, all these different things. But it's an inflammation at either the outside or the inside where the muscles of the arm attach into the elbow. And when this becomes inflamed, it is super, super painful. Now, what do we do to look at this? We start to evaluate the structure of the arm. So chiropractically speaking, I look at the wrist, the elbow, the shoulder, and even into the cervical spine, because again, you may feel that here, but the structure may be off, down by the wrist, up in the shoulder, even in the neck, and that's what sets that up to start feeling that inflammatory process. So people come in, I've seen people come in literally who've dealt with this for months or just happened yesterday, and it really doesn't matter. The first thing we do is figure out where the imbalance is coming from. If it's in the elbow, if it's in the wrist, whatever that may be. After we establish that, we start to treat that person and actually adjust the elbow. It's a very gentle adjustment. But what we're trying to do is reposition one of these two bones to take the stress off of the insertion point from the muscle so that you can feel better. And it's really cool. Once usually in a couple of visits, a lot of people will start to notice some improvement. It may take longer. Depending on what you do outside of the office, there's some really good things you can do therapeutically to help speed up this healing process. And again, that's something we can talk about in person when we sit down and deal with this for you. But it's really common. A lot of people deal with it on a daily basis, enough that it keeps them from fully using their arm like they want to. So if it's something that you've been through, you have a friend or a family member who suffers with this, a lot of our recreational sports get affected by this in a major way. Or if you work in a job where you really need that grip strength all the time, it can be almost dangerous. So if it's something you want to talk about, please give us a call, 918-296-7587. You can reach us on our website at tulsafamilychiropractic.com. And again, it's something I'd love to talk about. Any kind of situations causing you discomfort and pain is something that I want to be able to help you get rid of. Dr. Heath Travis, Travis Chiropractic, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thank you.